Markets opened with a strong gap up and extended gains throughout the session as appreciation in the Indian rupee from lower levels and FII short covering lifted investor sentiment on 29th July 2026. Going ahead, the US Federal Reserve's policy decision will remain the key market trigger as its outcome and commentary are likely to determine the next directional move for global as well as domestic equities. At the close, the Sensex settled at 77,654.60, up 888.68 points or 1.16%. The Nifty 50 ended at 24,250.20, higher by 264.85 points or 1.10%. The broader market also ended higher. The Nifty Midcap 100 closed at 62,862.25, gaining 510.75 points or 0.82%. The Nifty Smallcap 100 finished at 19,362.35, up 281.65 points or 1.48%. Bank Nifty closed at 57,205.90, advancing 450.30 points or 0.79%. Among individual stocks, Jio Financial was the top gainer, rising 4.92%. Adani Ports was the top loser, declining 3.03%. Sectorally, the rally was broad-based, with Nifty IT, Metal, FMCG and Pharma leading the gains. Most sectoral indices ended in positive territory, while Nifty Realty and Nifty Auto underperformed and remained the only sectors to witness profit booking. In currency, the US dollar to Indian rupee pair stood at 95.72, lower by 0.08%. India VIX closed at 12.01, down 4.42%. Nifty started the session on a positive note and gained momentum as the session progressed to close around the 24,250 level. The index formed a bullish candle with a higher high, a higher low, and a bullish gap below its base between 24,041 and 24,136, signaling a positive bias and continuation of the upward move. In the process, the index formed a higher high on the weekly chart. If the index sustains above Wednesday's gap area, the bias will remain positive, extending the pullback towards the 24,370 level in the coming session. From a short-term perspective, the index may head towards the key resistance area of 24,500 to 24,600, which is the confluence of the current month's high and the high of April 2026. On the downside, support has been revised higher towards 23,800 to 24,000, which is the confluence of the 20-day and 50-day exponential moving averages and the gap areas from Monday and Wednesday. This was your post-market update for today. Tune in tomorrow morning for the pre-market opening update. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Please read all documents carefully before investing.